Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. After you wake up the screen, you will need to go to the screen you want to capture. So for example, let's open some kind of app. So let's open the menu and open, I don't know, maybe not this, something that we can take a screenshot of. Okay, let's open the Google Play Store. Okay, and now to take a screenshot you need to press the upper button and lower button together. Press them together and you will see this animation on the screen, which means that you took a screenshot. Okay, we can take another one of the menu, for example. Okay, and once you're done taking the screenshots on your watch, you can check them by opening the gallery app on your watch. It's right here. And once you open the gallery app, you can tap on albums right here and open the screenshots album. And here we have our screenshots and we can browse through them like this. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.